Like I was saying, I don't know all those big words, but I know what I mean. I have mycelium. This is my first mycelium off of my first mushroom. I took the specimen right off the maitake mushroom, and I didn't even have a stirrer, magnetic stirrer. I just every day stirred it by hand. And now I have mycelium. But before I even try to use it, what I'm going to do is test it off of my first homemade agar plate. And then I'll get back with you later on or tomorrow to let you know the results. Well, I won't let you know the results right away. It'll take at least a week, I guess, or two. And after I finish getting the results, I'll let you know right away. And then I can start using this, fill up syringes. So thankful. I just sprayed this down with alcohol. Now I'm going to wipe it off. It's my homemade agar plate. I'm going to be testing out my yellow oyster mushrooms on it. Now if I've got this right, I'm wiping everything down and try to be extra clean. Now I don't know if this yellow one is going to work because it was my first time I did the yellow one. I did a baby Bella and I also did maitake. I think I got the maitake and the baby Bella mixed up. That's the one I'm going to test. The one that, it came out really clear. My liquid culture that I made straight from a piece of mushroom. Just like these yellow oysters I made straight from a piece of mushroom. I'm going to now try it with my agar plate and let it sit for about a week and see what happens. Now I'm going to spray and wipe everything down well with alcohol. First, I'm going to try the yellow oyster with this plastic syringe. And I'm going to put it into this agar cup. I sprayed it with alcohol. And I had to wipe it off again and wipe off the coloring. I'm learning as I go along. I guess that'll be about enough. Okay, I'm going to toss the syringe. And I'm going to use a new one for the other batch. Let me quickly cover this up. This is my yellow, and I'm going to mark it on it again. I'm using completely new syringe to prevent contamination with my homemade mycelium from maitake. And we're going to see how this goes along. I have a good feeling about this one. I don't know about the yellow, but for this one I do. So we'll see what goes on after about a week. I'm getting ready to inject this. Okay, now I'm injecting my maitake culture that I've made from the flesh of the mushroom. Okay. I'm covering it up with the quickness. Okay, now that I have inoculated both agar plates, I'm going to let them sit and incubate. In about a week, I should have my results.